Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. Look at this guy. Today's video is actually inspired by last video because when I was halfway through, right around here, I was like, cool, I kind of want to stop here or like go in a different direction. So today, I want to follow that. I'm going to block out my eyebrows, but I'm going to do that off camera. But if you're interested in how I do that, I'll put a link a video right up here or like over there for a video that shows that in depth. Absolutely stunning. So now I'm going in with this product by Dermablend. It's actually leg and body makeup, and I'm going to use all over the face, but it is so pigmented that it's just going to literally give me the blankest of all blank canvases, which is what I want. Gorgeous. So as usual, I have my iPad with my handy dandy Artsy app. So basically this is the outline drawing I'm going to do, outlining it with white eyeliner. The eyeliner that I'm using, by the way, is by Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics in white. I think that company still exists. Okay, so now I actually want to start blending all of this out, and I'm actually going to start doing that with the white eyeliner pencil itself. Basically, like the skin tone color is going to start to be like the bone color. You know what I mean? Taking this now to the eye area. Nose, I feel like it's going to be hard. I don't know why, but the thoughts going on in my mind are feel difficult. Taking a white eyeshadow, this one's my favorite one from NYX. I'm going in to set this white eyeliner pencil and then also enhance the white and crisp up the line all at once. Oh, right here too, duh. I forgot the nose. Let's do the nose. I'm nervous about this nose, but I'm like making it look good. I like everything else. I'm like excited about it, but the nose. I just don't know. Last thing, I'm just gonna like try to clean these up by like just kind of like getting rid of any harsh lineage. Okay, so now I'm taking some white paint. This one's Mayron's water activated paint. We're gonna go in now and create these cool like highlight lines. Okay, so now I'm gonna get like more fancy with my lines. So I'm gonna do like so like moving back on here, I want to do like the teeth again. Whoa. Okay, let's try to bring this back to life too. Okay, so now I'm gonna do like these teeny tiny little gum lines. Teeny tiny. I'm gonna do like that. Last thing too now, I'm gonna take some, I'm gonna do like, I want to keep this design simple. We're just gonna do like W's. So like, let's say like here, W, W, W. Wish I had an airbrush because this is never gonna look the same as the face because it's just one eyeshadow I have. I'm just now creating like more lines of interest, I guess, down here. Just to keep it easy, but also cool. Trying to make this look like ribs. But it doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna put in my contacts, same as last time because I'm running low. Okay, so I really liked how these looked, so I put them in, but I like literally cannot see a thing. I know my camera's like around here, so we're gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna do my outro before I start crying. Okay, I took one out to make sure it's okay, but anyway, I'll be streaming tomorrow night on Twitch / social media, so follow me and come hang out. And I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.